Welcome to our module on enterprise security. Today, we'll explore how organizations protect themselves in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Our focus is on protecting your organization, ensuring its safety and resilience in today's increasingly complex digital world. So, what exactly is enterprise security? Let's define this crucial concept for safeguarding modern businesses. It involves strategies, tools, and practices to protect digital infrastructure, data, and operations from cyber threats like breaches, malware, and hacking. Why is enterprise security so important? Let's delve into the compelling reasons it's critical for every organization today. It's all about protecting the very core of modern organizations, ensuring their continuity and long-term success. Firstly, we're seeing a significant increase in cyber threats, making robust security absolutely essential for businesses. Cybercrime is escalating, costing businesses billions and severely damaging their reputations, highlighting the urgent need for defense. Secondly, evolving technology constantly introduces new vulnerabilities, which security measures must continually address. Cloud computing, mobile devices, and IoT are creating numerous new entry points for cyber attackers to exploit. Then, there's compliance and regulatory pressure, which mandates strict security standards across industries. Regulations like GDPR and HIPAA demand robust security, and non-compliance can result in substantial financial penalties. Finally, safeguarding your organization's reputation is paramount, as trust is incredibly fragile in the digital age. Trust is vital. A security breach can severely damage public image and lead to significant loss of customer business. Now, let's explore the core principles that underpin effective enterprise security strategies. These principles include the foundational CIA triad: confidentiality, integrity, and availability, along with accountability. First, confidentiality means ensuring sensitive information is only accessible to authorized individuals. This principle ensures that only authorized individuals or systems can access sensitive and private information. Next, integrity focuses on protecting data from unauthorized alteration or tampering. It's about safeguarding data from any unauthorized changes, thus ensuring its accuracy and reliability. Then, availability ensures that systems and data are accessible to authorized users whenever needed. This means ensuring that all systems, applications, and data are consistently available for authorized users. Finally, accountability involves tracking actions to detect and deter any malicious activity. This principle involves implementing tracking and auditing systems to record actions and detect malicious activities. Let's now understand three fundamental concepts: threats, vulnerabilities, and risks in security. Grasping these concepts is crucial for building a strong and effective foundation for any defense strategy. First, a threat is any potential event that could exploit a weakness and cause harm. It's defined as any potential event capable of exploiting a weakness and causing damage or harm. Common examples of threats include malicious hackers, various forms of malware, or even natural disasters. Next, a vulnerability is a weakness or flaw within a system, application, or process. This refers to a specific weakness or flaw found within a system, application, or process. Typical examples include unpatched software, outdated systems, or easily guessable, weak passwords. Finally, risk is the likelihood that a threat will exploit a vulnerability and cause harm. It represents the probability that a threat will exploit a vulnerability and successfully cause harm. Risk calculation combines both the probability of an event and its potential impact. Let's explore the key components that form a robust, multi-layered enterprise security defense. Building a multi-layered defense is essential to protect all aspects of an organization effectively. First, network security focuses on securing your network infrastructure from unauthorized access. This involves measures to secure the entire network infrastructure from any unauthorized access attempts. Key tools here include firewalls, which filter traffic, and intrusion detection systems, which monitor for threats. Next, endpoint security protects individual devices like computers and smartphones used by employees. This component is dedicated to protecting all individual devices, such as computers and smartphones. It's achieved through antivirus software, strong device management policies, and other protective measures. Then, data security is crucial for protecting sensitive information, whether it's in transit or at rest. This involves safeguarding all data, both when it's moving across networks and when it's stored. Essential components here include strong encryption to scramble data and strict access control mechanisms. Finally, Identity and Access Management, or IAM, ensures only authorized users can access systems. The primary goal is to ensure that only authenticated and authorized users can access specific systems. This is often achieved through multi-factor authentication and clearly defined user roles and permissions. Let's now explore physical security, which is a vital aspect of protecting an organization's tangible assets. It safeguards hardware, facilities, and people from harm, using measures like access control, CCTV, and perimeter defenses. Next, we'll delve into cybersecurity, focusing on protecting an organization's digital world from various threats. It defends digital assets like data and networks against cyber threats such as malware, ransomware, and phishing attacks. Now, let's differentiate between security and privacy within enterprises, two crucial but distinct concepts. While distinct, these two goals are actually very interconnected and often work hand in hand. First, let's define security and understand its core purpose within an organization's framework. Security primarily focuses on protecting systems, networks, and all your valuable data from various threats. Its main goal is to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information. This involves implementing measures like firewalls, encryption, and robust intrusion detection systems. On the other hand, privacy has a different, yet equally important, set of objectives. Privacy protects personal information, giving individuals control over how their data is used. It emphasizes consent, minimizing data collection, and ensuring strict regulatory compliance. This includes transparent data handling practices and upholding the fundamental rights of users. Let's explore the crucial role of enterprise security professionals in safeguarding an organization. These professionals implement policies, manage risks, and monitor threats, acting as the first line of defense against cyber attacks. To conclude, let's quickly review the key takeaways from our discussion on enterprise security. Here are the most important points that you should remember from this entire lecture. Remember, enterprise security protects both digital and physical assets from a wide array of threats. Its importance is constantly growing due to rising cybercrime, evolving technology, and increasing regulations. The core principles are confidentiality, integrity, availability, and also, very importantly, accountability. Threats exploit vulnerabilities, creating risks that organizations must proactively identify and manage. Both physical and cybersecurity are absolutely critical layers of defense for any organization. Finally, security and privacy are distinct but interconnected, crucial for trust and compliance.